We're seeing a major pump in the overall crypto market, and yes, I believe that Bitcoin is going to break the $32,000 level within the next 48 hours. But we can see some major coins seeing a major pump towards the upside of 12 to even 14%, and XRP had a major move towards the upside. And why? Yes, we're going to look at the news because yes, breaking, Ripple wins the case against the SEC as judge rules that XRP is not a security. And yes, I'm not a major fan of XRP, but this will send the overall crypto market skyrocketing, and we can also see that the dollar currency index and also the Bitcoin dominance is going down. So we could expect a major pump for Bitcoin in the immediate short term, breaking the $32,000 level. But we're also going to look at my results of my copy trading group. And guys, if you want to find out more, watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe, and most importantly, activate the bell so that you always stay up to date. Welcome back to B4Crypto, and yes guys, we're seeing a major pump in the overall crypto market, but before we're going to look at Bitcoin, Ethereum and also XRP, we're going to look at the dollar currency index. And yes, we finally broke this 100 psychological level, and yes, we could expect that the dollar currency index is going to come all the way back down to the 99 level. So yes guys, this will send Bitcoin above the $31,000 level, where we could see a lot of resistance within the last few days. But let's go over to the Bitcoin dominance, and yes, we can see that the dominance is going down, and this is also a reaction from this positive news that we are getting from the XRP and the SEC case. So yes, we could expect a major pump for some of the major altcoins if we're going to see that the dominance is going to come all the way back down to the 48% level, where we can see we had a lot of resistance which now will turn into support. But if we're going to break this major support, which is round about the 48% level, and we're going to see the dominance come all the way back down to the 46% level, we're going to see a major altcoin season. But guys, let's go over to Bitcoin to find out what we could expect in the immediate short term. And yes guys, we saw that Bitcoin came back all the way to this major resistance at $31,180, but at the moment we saw this small rejection. But we need to go on the lower time frames to find out what we could expect in the immediate short term. So on the 4-hour chart, we can see that yes, we broke out from this trend where I told you yesterday that if we're going to break out from this trend line, we could expect that we're at least going to come up to the $31,000 level. But guys, overall this looks quite bullish because we can see that Bitcoin is forming this bigger W, and if we're going to break out from these levels, guys, we should see a price target from the top of the range all the way. Let's be a little bit conservative. We're going to drag it exactly to the breakout point at the top of this resistance. And if we're going to look at the price targets, yes, we're going to have a price target of $32,700. But guys, ultimately, I think that we're going to reach this price target in the immediate short term. But yes, guys, if you want to copy all of my trades, make sure to go down in the video description below and follow my link of FairDesk, where you first receive a major deposit bonus of up to $100,000, and then you can copy all of my trades. Just go over to copy trades, and then you go down and search for B4Crypto. And then you can find me over here. And yes guys, we've been racking in some major profits with a 7-day 100% win rate and a 95% win rate over the last 3 weeks. So you can see I lost 21 trades out of 111 trades, and we're making some major profits. So guys, what are you waiting for? Go down in the video description below and sign up to my free Telegram group, where you will find all of these links, or in the video description below. So let's go back over to the charts. So yes, on the 4-hour chart, guys, we're going to break out from this major range, and I think that we're really going to break the $23,000 within the next 48 hours. But let's go on the even lower time frames on the 15-minute chart, and guys, here we can see perfectly we had this breakout from this low all the way up to the levels of 31,165. And at the moment, guys, yes, we saw this correction, and we are seeing this consolidation above the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. So guys, I wouldn't enter a trade exactly in these regions, because yes, we could expect a consolidation, maybe a retest all the way back down to the 61.8, because yes, this was some major resistance, and we have to turn resistance into support. So yes, wait for consolidation, and if we're going to form higher lows all the way up to this major trend, we could open the next long position in these regions if we're going to see the next breakout. breaking the 31,000 US dollar level. But guys, let's go over to Ethereum to find out what is Ethereum doing at the moment. And yes, like I told you in the previous video, if we're going to see this breakout, guys, we could expect this major pump towards the upside. So I would wait until Bitcoin is finished with its consolidation. Then I think Ethereum is going to break out from this range, and we're going to see a major pump all the way up to the 2,100 US dollars and see the next consolidation before we could see this major breakout towards the upside with a price target of, yes, all the way at 2,400 US dollars. But guys, let's go over to XRP, and yes, we could see this major pump towards the upside. But guys, I would be careful entering at the moment in these regions, because yes, this is a major news pump and we could expect that XRP is going to see a small correction, but ultimately I think we're going to see a follow through in the overall crypto market, because yes, the Bitcoin dominance is going down and also the dollar currency index is breaking this major support, and this is extremely bullish for the overall crypto market. And guys, if you like this video, please support this channel by smashing up the like button and subscribing. And guys, we see each other in the next video, and make sure to be for crypto.